Welcome to the ultimate battle of the big cats. Lion versus tiger. Who's got the edge? Let's start with size. Tigers are the heavyweight champs, averaging 500 pounds, while lions weigh about 420 pounds. But don't count the lion out. When it comes to muscle power, lions are all about teamwork. They hunt in prides, making them the ultimate squad goals. Tigers, they're the lone rangers, hunting solo, relying on strength and stealth. Habitat-wise, lions are the kings of the savannah, ruling Africa. Tigers dominate the dense jungles of Asia. So who reigns supreme? It's hard to say. Lions have the squad, tigers have the strength. Maybe it's a tie. What do you think? Gee.